Hey guys, it's Lisa here from the JayLi Life, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel and you happen to like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell right next to it so that YouTube can notify you every time I upload a video. So on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of our favorite recipes. It is called Pecan Crusted Chicken Tenders. Compared to all the recipes I've been sharing with you, this one's going to require just a few more steps. I know all the other ones I've been sharing with you are really easy to follow, but the end results are going to be amazing. It's just so delicious. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started, and let me show you the ingredients. Here I have about 2 pounds of chicken breast, which I'm going to go ahead and cut into tender sizes. I have 2 eggs, 1 orange. Here I have a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, a cup of flour, a cup of finely chopped pecan pieces. And then here is for the sauce. I have some extra virgin olive oil, any barbecue sauce you have on hand, some maple syrup. This one does require maple syrup, and then of course salt and pepper. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to grab a skillet. You want to put about 1.5 inches of vegetable oil, and you want to put it on medium-high heat. So while that is heating up, let's go ahead and bread up our chicken. Here I place the cup of flour, and then in this dish I have the 2 eggs with a splash of water beaten. And now in this dish I'm going to add the breadcrumbs. And I'm going to add the pecan pieces. Now I'm going to add the zest of 1 orange. So you want to grab one of these little things. You want to zest it, and you want to make sure you don't get to the white part. Once you did, that's going to be really bitter. With the big pieces first. So I'm going to go ahead and fry up this first batch, and then I'm going to show you how they look after, and then I'm going to continue cooking the rest of the chicken. So now as they come out cooking, you want to grab a pan, a sheet pan with some foil, and then one of these like cookie sheets kind of things, and then you want to grab like a wire rack. That way they don't just sit in oil, and you can do this method with anything that you're frying. But there is my first batch. So let me go ahead and bread up the rest of my tenders, and then we'll work on the sauce next. Okay, so the tenders are ready. I fried up all the pieces. A little tip I want to share is that when I would take them out of the heat, out of the oil, I would sprinkle just a little bit of salt on it while it was still hot. So now we're gonna make the dressing for the chicken strips. So the same orange that you zested is the same orange you're gonna use. Okay. So get a measuring cup, just squeeze the juice. Okay, let's use this bowl instead. So we're gonna pour the orange juice in there. A little bit of the seeds. Add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Okay, then a 1/4 cup of the barbecue sauce. Just like that. Now you're gonna add the 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, but at the same time, you're gonna whisk it. Whisk it. Okay, and this is how it should look. Let's give it a taste. It's so good and tangy and really sweet and tangy. It's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and I'm gonna show you how it looks put together. All right, guys, so this is it right here. This is the pecan crusted chicken tenders, and then I drizzled over the tangy syrup for it. It's also my thumbnail, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. And just a little quick thing, I usually enjoy this over a salad, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.